Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on How With You, I have a rattle. I think it's up in the speaker. I had two people identify that it's up in the speaker in the top of my 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Drives me nuts. Sometimes it rattles really bad, so let's drive around and see if I can get you to hear it. Okay. So I watched a YouTube video for a guy on how to replace that speaker up there, and I don't want to replace it, I just want to get to it. And he whittled it down pretty much so that people would watch it. So he didn't show exactly how he took this handle off. But that handle has to come off. This stripping has to pull back. Now this handle has some covers on it that cover apparently some 10mm, I don't know, Allen bolts or something. So I have to figure out how to get those covers off without making them real ugly. Guess I'm going to have to get like a little screwdriver or something and pry them out. I think that's what it is. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so it looks like you just inset a little screwdriver, a little blade on the inside pointy corner. And these have little plastic retainer straps. Okay, and that's not a hex, that just looks like a 10mm bolt head. And apparently this thing has to come out somehow. So I'm going to hold off on taking that off for right now, but let's undo those screws, or those nuts or bolts or whatever they are. Okay, they are 10mm. Oh, wait till you fellas see this. I found my rattle. Now this is funny. Let me get that camera. See what that is? That's a wrench. Somebody worked on this truck and left a little wrench up there. So let me see if I can reach that and get that out of there and show you a little bit closer. Get my... Look at that. It's not a wrench. What is it? Something. I don't know what that is. Let me look at that closer. Okay, so on this, I did not take out this rubber, and I'm glad. So I'm just going to have to feed that piece back in there. So let's see how that goes. Okay. So that fits something like that. This all fits. That one lines up. That's nice. you go. Let's do a test drive. See if that rattle's gone.